Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. And today I will be explaining how you can make your own custom ringtone. Now, I know I disappeared for like 3 months. um, things happen, but your boy's back, and yeah, I'm here to make another tutorial. So without further ado, let's get right in the video. All right. So the first step, in order to do it, you would need GarageBand and this app, which I will show you on the App Store. So basically, this is for iOS. If you don't have iOS, I'm sorry, but I will find a way to do it on Android and Samsung, all that in the future. So first thing first, you go to the App Store. If that thing want to pop up, there you go. And then you want to search up Ringtone Maker, which will be the second app right here. So once you download it, you will open it. As you can tell, it's gonna give you an ad. All right, and here it will say My Ringtone. So when you get to this screen, what you would do is you click the plus, and you will see these options: import from video, ringtone sharing, upload from PC. So I would basically explain to what all these do. So upload from PCs when you hook up your phone to your Mac, your P, or just anything, and then get the audio from the PC and transfer it to it. The endpoint from video is basically the videos on your phone, basically your pictures and stuff. And your ringtone sharing is the stuff that people have created, which I can show you this. As you can see, stuff people have created, but I don't think no one's going to use it. But I already made a custom ringtone, as you can tell. If y'all want to listen to it, there you go. Hold on.
Look, G, 20 on top, okay, 20 on bottom, hella one. G.
There you go. That's my ringtone that I made. So, and I got that from my camera. So, if you want to get something from your camera, click on the endpoint from video. Just a heads up. Alright, so once you download it, it will be right here basically. It will say like these numbers and it will have the clip. So, if you want to edit it, click on clip.
This look like hella bands, don't it? That is, ain't it? I ain't got no money. Look, G, 20 on top, okay, 20 on bottom, hella one.
That's my favorite ringtone. I ain't gonna lie to you. Alright, sorry about that. As you can tell, I had to stop the recording because apparently there's no way I'm pausing it. So yeah. So basically here you can turn on either fade in or fade out the audio. Basically what the fade in and fade out do is it makes it like into a think of someone talking underwater. It's basically just making the audio deeper and then it'll work out. So if you turn on fade in, the beginning will be more deeper and then it will go louder towards the end, which is why I turn on fade in. So, yeah, and I made another recording on accident. If you want to make another one, you press done. Make sure you press done whenever you want to make another one. So, now that you got your clip and everything, now this is when you would need GarageBand. So if you don't have GarageBand installed, make sure you install it because you will need it for next step. So you click on the one that you customize, which is this one for me, and then you click on Make. As you can see, GarageBand is right here. So what you do is you click on it, and it will take you to, oh God, it will take you here with your sound audio. So once you come here, all you do is hold on to the audio and it'll give you all these options. Press share, and then tap to create a ringtone. Now, for me, only reason it's not working is because the ringtone is approximately like 5 seconds, but make sure it's like 20 seconds and you'll be fine. So, you export it as a ringtone, and then it will say ringtone export successful, and then you can choose what you want as standard, text zone, assigned to a contact, the basics, but I'm not doing all that. So, once you finish, you can go to settings, then you can go to sounds and haptics, and then right here, ringtone. As you can see, it will show your recording. And when you click on it,
Look, G, 20 on top, 20 on bottom. Hello, world. G.
see, and there you go. It will ask. So every time you get a ringtone on your phone, that will be playing every time. Well, not whatever you choose, it will be playing that the whole time. Just make sure your phone's on Do Not Disturb at school, because whatever you do, it's going to play it, and it's going to be really embarrassing if you put something that. Sorry. Anyways, make sure, yeah, your phone is. Um, but yeah, you basically do that, and you're basically done. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions on like how to use the app, leave it in the comments. I will answer them as best as I can, because I'm very busy most times. And yeah, peace.